Hi there. Today's video is about the knife, scissors, and eraser tool. These tools are used to edit and modify vector artwork, so let's learn how to use them. We'll start with the knife tool, and to demonstrate this, let's pick the rectangle tool and draw a large rectangle. Let's change the stroke size to 10 points. Now, the interesting part with the knife tool is that you don't necessarily have to have the object selected. As you can see, our rectangle is not selected right now. And I'm going to pick the knife tool, which sits at the bottom of the stack here. Now, let's say I want to cut it from a particular point, and I want to cut it straight from top to bottom. So press the caps lock key to turn the knife tool pointer into crosshairs. With the crosshairs pointer, you can make precise cuts, as it will make it easier to see exactly where you begin cutting. Press and hold Option and Shift on a Mac or Alt and Shift on a PC and drag down all the way across the shape to cut it into two. Release the mouse button and then the keys. You can then take the two pieces apart using the selection tool, and can clearly see that this tool creates closed parts. Now I'm going to undo the last few actions to have the rectangle back. Now, using the knife tool, we can also add a free flow cut across horizontally and take the two pieces apart. We can practice the straight cut vertically that we did a minute ago, and can add crazy cuts and be creative, as it allows you to manually slice through selected parts, dividing them into distinct sections. Now, let's move on to the scissors tool, which is pretty straightforward and simple to use, and you shall find it in the same stack. So let's pick it. The scissors tool is used to manually split a path at an anchor point, so all you need to do is just click the anchor point or on a line segment to create an open path. And a lot of times when you're creating a design or a logo, you will need to open a closed path, and this tool helps you to do that. Let's undo the last few actions to get our closed path back. The last tool in this stack is the eraser tool, so let's pick it. You will find the cursor turning into a circle, and this is the brush of your eraser tool. To reduce the size of this brush, keep hitting the left bracket until you're happy with the size. Similarly, to increase the size, hit the right bracket. The interesting thing about the eraser tool is that it works only on the selected object. So you see right now we have our rectangle split into 4 objects, out of which only the one in the top right corner is selected. So if we try the eraser tool on the top left object by pressing the left mouse click and running over the object, you shall find nothing happens to the object. And nothing happens because it is not selected. Now, let's try the eraser on the selected object on the right, and you shall find it erases the portion you run your cursor over. To erase in a straight line, press the Shift key and drag straight across, and then release the mouse button and then the Shift key, and it shall erase in a straight line. You can even access some more features of the eraser tool if you double-click the eraser tool in the toolbox. Here you can change the roundness of the eraser tool, change the angle of the tool for angular erasing, and even update the size of the eraser. You can see that it changes the circular face to the angular face as per our settings, and now when you run it over your object, it erases in that angle, whether it's a free-flowing erasing or erasing in a straight line. So guys, that's all about the knife, scissors, and eraser tool. In the next video, you're going to learn about clipping mask, which is a feature used to control the visibility of artwork by confining it to a specific shape or path. So ensure not to miss it. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and please share the video and subscribe to my channel, and I shall be with you soon. Until then, goodbye and thanks for watching.